Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites, required item level, raid unlocks, and weekly lockout timers. Once done, prioritize activities that immediately generate raid crystals, clear bonus objectives, and run Quick Boss pulls that award crystals. Make sure to join a persistent raid group or coordinate with reliable players. That increases runs per week. You want cadence, multiple short clears rather than one long attempt, because repetition compounds rewards and lets you farm crystals faster. Once in the raid, execute efficient routes. Engage bosses that grant larger crystal stacks first, and skip optional trash that costs minutes without reward. Make sure to assign roles for interrupts and cleave phases so you clear mechanics cleanly. This reduces wipes and lets you reset the encounter quickly. Use consumables and timed cooldowns in a rotation to shave seconds off kill time, and communicate resets immediately so your group can farm multiple bosses per lockout. You finish by converting leftover loot or tokens into crystals and running any remaining high-value bosses until lockouts hit. Once done, schedule short daily runs to maintain a steady inflow of raid crystals across the week. If you encounter persistent wipes, troubleshoot immediately. Audit tactics, check logs, and swap a member to a higher DPS or a specialized cooldown role. This fixes the bottleneck quickly and restores efficient crystal farming without wasting additional lockouts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.